Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nadia, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to add sparkles to your hair, or it's called Kira Kira patch. So I'm gonna give you a link, and in that link you will need to download these three files. It's gonna be simple Kira patch and two textures of sparkles. You can use these textures for your project, for your own filters, or for your customers if you like them. Also, before we begin, I want to show you my glitter patch. I sell this patch on Gumroad, so if you like it, check it out. And also I want to show you a pink ombre filter that I created. This pink ombre is very realistic, so if you like it, please check it out on my Instagram. The link is going to be in the description as well. With that being said, let's close this project and let's begin new project. So I'm clicking on new project, blank project. And I already download this Kira Kira on hair from my Dropbox. You will need to do the same. The link is going to be in the description to this video as well. Okay, let me close this, enlarge this part, and now I'm clicking no compression, no compression. Now I'm clicking add object, and I'm searching for the face mesh. Face mesh, clicking plus to add material, clicking on material, and picking retouching. Then I'm adding one more object as well, and I'm searching for rectangle. Rectangle, and now I'm dragging this rectangle above the face tracker, and I'm clicking plus for material. So this material is going to be flat. Okay, so and also we are going to the rectangle, and we will need to make the fill width and fill height. Okay, then I'm going to view, show height patch editor, and it's much more easier if you're gonna drag your simple Kira patch to patch editor. So let's see what we need. We need sparkle. So I give you two sparkles, and you can use the one you like more, or you can create your own. So it's up to you. Next, we need camera texture. So we are going to camera, and we're clicking plus for camera texture. And also, let's click right away for segmentation plus and hair segmentation. Remove Facebook. So now we have camera texture and hair segmentation. So this camera texture we're gonna drag to our patch editor. And also we need device resolution. So we are going to our device, interaction, producer patch, create, and we have our device. Now we need texture. So this texture is going to be for our rectangle. So this is rectangle, and this rectangle have material number 1. So we're going to material number 1 and clicking on texture plus. So let's connect everything together. So I'm gonna pick probably the star number 1 just to begin, and I'm using this RGBA port, and I'm clicking to the sparkle. Then I am clicking on also the first port to camera texture, and I am clicking screen size to device resolution. Then I'm connecting to this to diffuse texture here. Let me switch to video of myself. And now we need to change pixel count. So I'm gonna put the maximum. It's gonna be 32. But if you want to add even more, let's search, click 2 times click. I'm clicking and I'm searching for value. And I'm gonna put like 40, for example. And now I'm adding to the pixel count 40, and now you can add 40. So you can even increase the amount more than 32. So now we need to make these stars only on our hair. So we have our material already, and we are, let me resize. So we are clicking on alpha, and we are picking hair segmentation. And that's it. So we have our sparkles on our hair. You can change the color, you can pick another star. And if you like this video, please like it and have a good day. Bye bye.